Hello guys, in this video I will tell you the correct pronunciation of the name of an American singer and a songwriter. I will tell you the correct way of pronouncing her name. So let's start. The correct way of pronouncing her name is Beyonce. 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 Once more time. Beyonce. 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 Repeat it with me. Beyonce. Beyonce. I hope that the pronunciation of her name is clear to all of you. So, the correct way of pronouncing her name is Beyonce. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.